Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this playlist, your myEcon full business review for 2025. And it is packed with information about myEcon that you need to know if you're looking at myEcon as a viable business for you in 2025, or you just want more information on the products, the services, the compensation plan, everything to do with myEcon. It is right here in this playlist. Link in the description right down below this video, whether you're on a mobile device or a desktop. You'll be able to open the description up, see the link. It will bring you right back here to the actual playlist itself. So the playlist I have right here on the screen, you'll be able to have this exact thing right in front of you. And if you are new to myEcon, you're not sure about, what's involved, what the company is all about, what you get, the compensation plan, any of those things, I would start with the very first video. And you can see right here in the thumbnail, it says overview. And that is your overall myEcon business review. And I also talk about the myEcon compensation plan and everything else. The second video that says free system, this is where I show you how you can get over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Doesn't matter what level that you join in, and that video will explain all of that. I go over the back office and I go over all of the products and services. And that's what we're going to dive into again today in this video. Okay. If you're coming in, halfway through, you haven't seen all the other videos in this playlist. I've already kind of gone over everything over here to the left. So your debt elimination, your Defender Plus, otherwise known as ID Defender, travel membership, credit, income shifting, your W-4 adjustment, those sorts of things. I've already gone over all that information. Today, we're going to dive into minimizing taxes. Okay. So learning how to utilize this service or this learning opportunity here inside of myEcon. Now, here's what's really great, and this is one of the many, many reasons that I love this myEcon business, because it ultimately teaches and shows you how to be the best home-based business owner. So yeah, obviously you can share the business, you can grow the business, you can make incredible income, but when you really understand the benefits that you have available as a home-based business owner, most people don't understand this. And so what I want you to do right now is I want you to comment the number 200 down below this video. Let me know that you're paying attention and that you're getting the most out of this video, the most out of this playlist and training series. The reason why I want you to comment the number 200 is because once you become a home-based business owner, you can qualify for up to 200 tax deductions per year. And that's exactly what this training is going to show you, because myEcon is overall helping you increase your take-home pay with your job, increase your credit score, decrease your debt, and decrease your taxes. Again, getting the most out of your home business. Now, we're going to dive right into here. And again, you have full access to this once you get inside of your myEcon membership. Okay. So this is a whole preview video right here that you can see right here, how to minimize your taxes. Almost every product or service that myEcon offers will specifically have, an intro video just telling you about what you're about to learn, what some things you need to know, some things you may need to go do. Okay. And then it dives into the entire education right here. Okay. This is literally almost an hour-long training video that's going to teach you tax strategies. It's literally going to break everything down for you and show you where you want to be minimizing your taxes, how you're going to be minimizing your taxes, all of those tools and resources and things that are available to you. So those 200 tax deductions that I was just talking about, a lot of that is covered here inside of this video. And that's the thing. Again, you need to realize that when you utilize the myEcon membership to its fullest and you get the most amount out of these products and services, you, like, plain and simple, you're going to be saving more money for you, your family, your home, and all of those things. So I'm going to cover in another video. myEcon launched a new product for 2025. It's called ViroTax. I'm not going to go over that here in this video. I'm going to cover that in another video so you can learn how myEcon can actually do your taxes for you. So again, think about this. You have a home-based business with myEcon, and then the pros, the professionals that know home-based business better than anybody else are going to be able to help you do your taxes and save you the most amount of money. So I would encourage you, if you are with myEcon and you have not, especially this time of year, at the time of this video, we're coming up on tax time. Okay. It's literally January 2024 just ended. So now we're coming up on tax time. It's time for you to start prepping for your taxes. And I would say, take advantage, my friend. Take absolute advantage and save the most amount of money so you can put more money back in your pocket and you could paying less money to the government. It's as simple as that. So please take advantage of this education. I mean, this is information that people would pay hundreds or thousands of dollars for to learn this valuable information, and it's all included in your myEcon membership. So again, make sure that you're also utilizing all the other videos here on this playlist and going through and making sure you fully understand all the different products, services, resources that are available to you with your myEcon membership. If you've made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. If you have not gotten started yet with myEcon, link in the description down below. Please go ahead, get yourself started. It's much better here on the inside than it is there on the outside, looking in, pondering, doubting, debating, wondering, will this actually work? Yes, my friend, it will, as long as you get on the inside and you follow our training. And if you want that additional over $11,000 in free value, get started, be on our team. That's the only place you're going to get everything you need to promote your myEcon business, all of your funnels, your email marketing, literally a documented and proven system that is helping thousands of myEcon members, and it's exclusively only available for our team. That link is also in the description down below if you want my full tutorial and overview on what we offer specifically for our team. That is it, my friend. Hope you got and are getting a lot from this myEcon business review for 2025. Go ahead, get started, ask me any questions, and I will see you on the next one.